Today I've come with an excellent AI tool that you can use to understand everything more deeply. It can be a video on YouTube, an ebook, a text on a website, everything. And even more, it's not just for learning a language or taking an exam like IELTS. You can have all its great options for every topic. And you can't believe it. It's free. Amazing, right? I'm so excited about introducing this to you that I can't wait. Without further ado, let's go! Open your search engine and type NotebookLM.google. That's the name. I love this motto. Think smarter, not harder. Here you see briefly the abilities of this tool. You can upload everything as the source part. I'll be showing this to you. And then it gives you instant, quick insights or understandings of that source. Again, I tell you more. And then this one, my favorite and the focus of today's video. It creates a podcast with AI voice. Isn't it unbelievably good? To start, you press this. Try notebook. Here you can see your notebooks. It's empty at the start, so create new. And here we are. Sources, chat, where you can chat with it, just like ChatGPT. And here, deep dive conversation. Yeah, you see 2 hosts in English. My fave. And wait for it. There's also a surprising option inside this podcast one. You start from the sources part. Google Drive is okay. Links are fine, as well as texts. So a PDF, a text, a markdown, or audio can be dragged and pasted, or just browse them from your computer, from your device. Now let's add a source. Imagine I watched a YouTube video, didn't get it perfectly, so wanted to use this AI tool to take it in better, right? More thoroughly. To demonstrate and show how this works, I've decided to use one of my own videos. Here, YouTube URL or link should be pasted. This is my channel. How about this video? Get the link copy. Okay, here, paste. Here you can see the first small summary, which is helpful if you didn't get the whole meaning or the title of that video. I like the keywords, key topics. Totally related. Wow. And the highlighted parts all are important. Nice. This podcast option is ready to use. Let the podcast be generated. But before that, you can customize personalized podcast with these options, focusing on just a specific aspect, right? Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have here. It may take a few minutes or more depending on the length of the video or your internet speed. Okay, here you are. Wow, let's listen to it. Ready?
Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're going to tackle something that I'm sure a lot of you guys have faced, which is how do you actually remember all these English words you're trying to learn? And to help us with that, we're going to be diving into this popular YouTube video. And this is by a language expert who actually uses their engineering background to create like a whole system. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by like the amount of words it takes to become fluent, well, this is the episode for you.
Yeah, it's interesting how much emphasis is placed on learning new words, but then not really like the systems for making those words stick. It's almost like you're trying to build a house with...
Well, first of all, I love their voices. So normal, so natural. And then, I'm not an expert. At least this is not how I describe myself.
You got to treat your mind like a well-organized library.
Library. That was my metaphor. Nice, nice.
To a C1 level, which is advanced, you're looking at almost 6,000 new words.
6,000? It's like climbing a mountain of vocabulary.
It is.
It really makes you realize that you can't just passively learn,
Right.
Like you need a system.
Wow, perfect. You can't just passively learn. I didn't say this sentence in my video, but I'm imagining if you listen to this after watching the video, this sentence, just this one itself, is really helpful. They are paraphrasing my words, saying them with other words. So this is how you can get the meaning fully and comprehensively. The surprising part inside this video option that I told you before, this interactive mode where you can interact with these two imaginary people, podcasters. Here, join the conversation and ask a question. Let me ask a question. What if I wasn't an engineer? Would it be hard for me to take this approach?
That's a great question.
Yeah, it really is.
Okay, so Frey Academy says their engineering background helped with the system, but it's not just for engineers.
Right. The core ideas are about organization and categorization, which anyone can use.
It's like the video says an engineer might naturally put things in order.
Exactly. But the idea of sorting vocabulary, that's useful for anyone, no matter your background.
That was brilliant. And look at the other options. Briefing document, it gives you a brief yet in-depth description of what the hosts were saying, Here you can send it to sources and use it there too. And these parts are quite handy, You see all aspects are categorized in a well-managed way. Honestly, I could never imagine my 5-minute video can be discussed so deeply. Let's send it to sources and then open it there. Look at this source guide. It's the summary of the summary, summary of the briefing document. And other options, you can check them yourself. Here in the chat box, you see some sample relating questions. Let me ask another question here. For example, so in that video, we had 4 steps. The last one was for formal versus informal language. Let me ask, why step 4 is important? It gives me the answer all about how and why to distinguish formal from informal English. Good job. So all these features in this tool are available for any other form of source. You can copy an audio, a long text, or upload an ebook of 3,000 pages and then create a podcast with it. Yeah, amazing. And then ask anything from the podcasters or in the chat section, just like ChatGPT. So it can be, for example, the summary of chapter 4 or the purpose of that or this in the book, anything. And at the end, all these notebooks are saved here. Even if you close the page and then come back, they are here again. So this is it. I covered the more important parts, and the other abilities, you can explore them yourself. Right now, you can go to it, start working with it, and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!